This is the service/freight elevator. Look, this is also a completely original old Otis black button from 1962. I believe that roto dial does work. I saw it coming. Here it is. Lobby. Instead of opening doors for freight elevator, that's weird. We'll go down to the basement. Look at this. Here at the basement, there's a speaker here for classical music as well. That's weird. Go up to 22. Penthouse also needs a key. I'm gonna say 24th floor oldest black button. Look at this, from 1962. This thing is really shaky. This place does allow pets, but all pets have to use this elevator. They can't use the main elevators. Yeah, if you listen closely, there's classical music playing in here too. That's weird. On channel 76. Sirius XM, just like at the Arlington apartments, which is by the same management company. Whoa. Here at 22, penthouse, needs a key. My ears are kind of popping. Back down the lobby. Down hours lit, non-stop. I don't think that does anything in normal service. Custom key, there's your certificate. These elevators. Pretty basic brown cab. I think these may have been repainted. Sorry if there's a bit of a glitch there for a second. I don't know what happened. Speaker. Fluorescent light, round fluorescent light. Look at this. Let me get a picture. And no, I did not stop the video like I did last time on the main elevators. I apologize if this is kind of dark. Let me try to make it brighter. Watch this thing go out. And it went out quickly. Here, back in the lobby. These things definitely can't have maintenance improvements. And that's it.